walking around looking for fungal species, and as we were moving, we came across a species that is called Mochella esculenta, as you can see down here. They are also known as true morellas. They are also edible mushrooms. They grow on old wood, as you can see down here, and they are found in coniferous forest, as you can see around us.
To add on what she was saying, those fungal species, they have a fruiting body which consists of a cylindrical structure and a honeycomb at the upper portion. Initially those species, due to seasonal changes and maturity, they change from yellow to black. Thank you.
Mycology esculenta is a dikaryotic fungi which was initially classified under two phyla, Basidiomycota and Ascomycota. However, it is now classified under Ascomycota due to the fact that it produces non-motile spores in a sac called an ascus.
Esculenta is divided into kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species, of which the kingdom is fungi, the phylum is Ascomycota, the class is Pezizomycetes, and the order is Pezizales.
We have class, which is Mycolaceae, genus, which is Mycella, then the species is M. esculenta.
Good day, I will be taking you through the transmission of Mycology esculenta. Now, their ascospores are spread through animals, insects, wind, water, and rain. Now, Mycology esculenta can be of human harm when consumed raw. This is because they contain a toxin called androgen, which may cause effects including irritation of eyes, nose, and throat in humans. Thank you.
I'll be taking you through pathogenesis of Mycology esculenta. So the Mycology esculenta contains toxins that are consumed with raw food. So these toxins, when they get inside the body, they proliferate the tissues and some organs, which induces an immune response and cause gastrointestinal problems as well as cancer. Thank you.
Greetings, I will be taking you through prevention. Since this fungal species can be transmitted through eating it raw or uncooked, it is therefore advisable to ensure proper cooking and proper preparation before consuming this fungal species.
I'll be taking you through treatment. Currently, there's no medicine or antibiotic to treat the hydroxane toxin. However, people are encouraged not to eat raw or uncooked food or cook their food properly before eating them.
Greetings. In conclusion, I would like to say that not all Mycology esculenta have detrimental effects. Actually, it's quite important and fascinating to know that some Mycology esculenta species have got beneficial effects, such as your anti-inflammatory activities, your antioxidant activities. It is also important to note that Mycology esculenta have got the capabilities of boosting our immune system, and also they increase the nutrition value in food.
First of all, I would like to appreciate you for taking time out of your busy schedule to do this interview. So basically, what's your understanding based on fungal species, and are you aware, and your awareness based on?
I don't know much about microorganisms, but what I know of it, fungi are eukaryotes,
yes,
and that they produce spores. So in agriculture, in terms of agriculture, we have what we call arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi, AMF. This arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi, it's known to form this symbiotic relation with the roots in the rhizosphere, so that plants can access nutrients at a much deeper level, and also water, so that they can reproduce. So they are very beneficial in terms of agriculture. This arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi, that's what I know. And if one would ask what they are like, they are like mushrooms. Yeah, these are your mushrooms, your yeast, your molds also. Yes. But then some of them you cannot see them with your naked eyes, because this needs a microscope, you see. So, but we know that they are there, they exist.
Okay.
Yes. So that's what I know, and I was using this fertilizer mycorrhiza. It consists of this mycorrhiza fungi. So what it does, it produces the spores, and then these spores, they will form this relation with the roots. It's like they're extending their roots now.
Okay.
And when they're extending your roots now, that's when now your plant will be able to access nutrients such as phosphorus, because phosphorus in the soil, it might appear.
Greetings. I will be doing an interview with my guy here. So basically, firstly, I would like to appreciate you for taking time out of your busy schedule to do this interview. We conducted a research in identifying fungal species, and because fungal species are known to be ubiquitous in nature, and we found them within the university parameters. So we were lucky to stumble upon Mochella esculenta species, which is quite fascinating based on our research that we've conducted. So my guy, what do you understand about fungal species in general, like just in a nutshell?
Basically, from my own understanding, is that fungi species, they are those organisms basically which are from the kingdom fungi.
Yes.
And then they also they are heterotrophs, meaning that they do not produce food on their own, like how plants do with the chlorophyll molecule, and they cannot ingest their own food as how animals do. So what they do, it's basically they are the primary decomposers of the environment. So they get their food through decomposing non-living items, and that's my understanding basically.
Okay, thank you. So what are the fungal species that you know of, like just two or one fungal species that you know?
Basically,
I'm with Ms. Zakaro, who's currently enrolled as a postgraduate doing honors in microbiology. So in our research, we found that Mochella esculenta is found in coniferous forests in a disturbed ground. It was actually in direct exposure to sunlight, which favors a moisture environment. So the question here is that in your lifetime, have you ever come across a fungal species?
Yes, I have.
And in what environment was that in?
Okay, I've already seen a mushroom.
Okay.
I've seen it in an environment where there was moisture.
Okay.
So, and also on the decaying trees.
Okay.
Yes, in the bushes.
All right. Well, good day. Welcome back. I'm with a postgraduate who's currently doing honors in the Department of Microbiology. His name is Rochi. So the question is quite simple and straightforward. Do people from around here use fungal species in specific mushrooms as source of food?
Yes, they do use mushrooms as source of food.
Okay, making a follow-up question, are you aware that fungus are pathogenic?
Yes, I am aware.
Okay, which type of disease caused by fungus are prevalent in this type of region?
In terms of diseases, I'm not sure, but I do know that fungal diseases are very rare.
Okay.
Yes. All right, no.
Thank you very much for taking time out of your busy schedule. I'm going to ask you just a few questions in a nutshell. I won't take much of your time. So, are you aware about fungal species? Have you heard about them, or have you seen them? Have you eaten one? What's your take on that?
Yeah, I know about fungal species. There are organisms that are living in free, most in water and in any area. You can find them everywhere.
Yeah.
To eat, no.
You haven't eaten one, right?
No, I haven't. I don't even know if they're eatable.
They're eatable. Yeah, they are eatable actually.
Yeah.
Any examples of fungi that you?
The rust, the yeast. Yeah.
Okay, no, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for watching the video. I would like to acknowledge and appreciate Mr. Minjeti for equipping us with the laboratory skills to do field work in the field of mycology.